Assalamu alaikum, my beloved brothers and sisters. How are all of you? Right now in this video, I'm gonna share two keys to learn English speaking, my beloved brothers and sisters. So number one, practice regularly. So if you want to be a consistent person, a fluent person in English, a native person in English, so you have to practice more and more. By practice, you can improve your English speaking very much. So this is much and very much important topic to you to learn English speaking. And even though 5 minutes a day, that gonna help you to improve your English speaking and your fluency and your confidence. So I think I will suggest you to practice English speaking. What you are doing, what you are watching, that doesn't matter. So you have to explain it and you have to try it. You have to try to achieve something good. So that's gonna help you to English speaking. So number one, you have to practice English regularly, consistently. So number two, you have to watch English content on YouTube. Like YouTube is the most preferred platform to learn English speaking, my beloved brothers and sisters, because using the YouTube you can easily learn something that's gonna make you a very successful person in English. If you know the YouTube, so first of all you have to go to YouTube and then search on how can I improve our English speaking. So this is the most highly niche, and I always suggest you to watch English content. I don't suggest you to watch Bangla content. Always suggest to watch English content. That's gonna help you to learn English speaking, right? In YouTube so many videos are available. So just you have to be trying, just you have to be watch this video and carefully and hearing again and again, and try to hear again and again. So thank you very much. Before going, subscribe my channel, follow my page.